Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's officially fall, so I'm going to take you on a tour of my house and show you all of the fall decor. I'm going to go around and show you everything, and then I will go back and tell you where I bought each piece and how much I paid for it. And I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this, and I hope that you subscribe and like this video. Please leave your comments down below, and thanks for watching. This cloth pumpkin from Target. Doesn't have the tag on it anymore. I think it was $3. I found it in the dollar spot, and I got this cupcake holder for $1 in the Target dollar spot, and the sign came from there as well. Can't remember how much it was. $3. And then over here in the window, I got this pumpkin that says blessed on it from Walmart for $2.98. And the two pumpkin flowers next to it were also at the Target dollar spot for $3 each. I got this 3-tiered stand from Jane.com, and I think it was $39. I got these coffee mugs from the Target dollar spot. They were $3 a piece. Those two small pumpkins on the bottom were $1 each at the Target dollar spot, as well as these bigger pumpkins. These pumpkins on top came from a package. They were all included with all of these pieces that I put down here on the bottom for $6.99 at Home Goods. And this little sign came from Michael's. It was originally $6.99, but I got it 40% off. These items over here all came from the Target dollar spot. The sign was $3, the green pumpkin was $3, and the cloth pumpkin was $1, along with the cupcake stand. And these owls I've had for years. I got them from Kirkland's. I want to say it was 4 or 5 years ago, and I have no idea how much I paid for them, but I thought they were so cute. Okay, and here's my kitchen hutch. This is going to be a project piece of mine. I'm going to chalk paint it at some point. Just recently I found a smaller one for $20 at Goodwill, and I'm actually thinking about painting it and selling this one because this one is just way too big for my kitchen. But I got this sign for $2.98 from Walmart, and more pumpkins from the dollar spot at Target on both sides of it, and more of the pumpkin greenery, $3 a piece at the dollar spot. I got this plant from Walmart. I think it was $1.98. And I have one on the other side, same price. And then on top, I have wooden pumpkins, and they were $2.98 a piece at Walmart. And then the little scarecrow shelf sitter, I've had her for a while. I can't even remember where I bought it. I've had this little scarecrow for a few years. I think I bought it at Kirkland's. I'm not sure how much I paid for it. Then on my entry table, it looks like this. I got the welcome pumpkin sign from Michael's, $14.99, but 40% off. And the flowers on each side of it came from the at-home store. They were $7.99 a piece. And then the 2 pumpkins on each side, I got those from Michael's as well. Can't remember how much I paid for them. Okay, they were regular price, $9.99, but I got those on sale for 40% off. And then more of the cupcake stands came from the Target dollar spot. I got the wooden pumpkin from At Home Store. It was $10.99. The greenery piece I had already, and it came from Hobby Lobby. And then I got more of the cloth pumpkins that were from the Target dollar spot. And they were $1 a piece, and another cupcake stand. I didn't add much to the top of my entertainment center. I found this bread bowl at a yard sale for $2, and these pumpkins, these 3 pieces in the center, they came from Walmart. They were, I think, 98 cents. And then these 2 pieces on the end came from Hobby Lobby. I want to say they were $3.99 a piece, and they were 40% off when I bought them. I had a couple of pieces of decor that I wasn't going to use, and my daughter really loved them and wanted to use them to decorate her table with, and this is how she did them. I have the extra green pumpkin that came from Target, and then this cute little scarecrow that is driving a tractor, pulling a trailer of pumpkins and hay, which I think is adorable. And then the yellow canister behind it. And this is how I decorated my fireplace. The 2 glass pumpkins I think I got them from Kirkland's, and the plants on each side came from Walmart last year. And then up top I have this thankful sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. And the lanterns on each end came from the At Home store. And then these other pieces, I think they came from Walmart last year as well. So I didn't buy anything new for the mantle and the fireplace this year. I didn't do much upstairs for fall decor. I put another pumpkin greenery plant here on my nightstand, and then I got this white and silver wood pumpkin from Home Goods. It was $9.99. I actually got another one to put on the other nightstand over there, if you can see that. I thought they were so cute. And I did put 2 things in my bathroom, one on each side of the tub. Trying to get over here into a spot where there's some good light. It is a candle from Yankee Candle and a candle ring, and I set them on a cupcake stand. I got the candle for $6.99 from Ross. And there's one over on the other side over there.